How would you like to get paid for giving away valuable products? That's right. Our new MyGenetics card program allows you to give away free bottles of MyGenetics, then get paid every time your prospect buys our products or enrolls in our program. If you hate selling, you're going to love this program. If you can hand out a gift card, you can be successful. If you can mail out a gift card, you can be successful. Each MyGenetics card entitles your prospects to a free bottle of MyGenetics valued at $53.25. They just pay for shipping and handling. It's like giving someone an expensive steak dinner and they just pay for the tip. Because the MyGenetics card program connects to an online marketing system, 95% of the presentation and the associated follow-up is automated. This system minimizes your efforts and maximizes your results. To redeem a MyGenetics card, your prospect simply goes to free.mygenetics.com and watches a compelling short video of our business presentation. Then, the automated marketing system sends a series of emails promoting the benefits of our program. The website also alerts you that a prospect has redeemed a MyGenetics card and links that unique MyGenetics card number to your ID, thereby crediting your account for all activity that occurs with that prospect. We make it easy. The MyGenetics product does the selling, and our automated web system does the presentation and the follow-up. And then you collect the commission. Our system costs you nothing. That's right. The entire free.mygenetics.com system is absolutely free with your enrollment. Let's take a quick look at the numbers. When you purchase a gold pack, you receive 40 MyGenetics cards and 2 bottles of MyGenetics. Let's be conservative and assume you are only 15% successful and that only 6 people out of the 40 that you gave the free MyGenetics cards to enrolled in the system, and they also bought gold packs. Now those 6 people have 40 MyGenetics cards each, totaling to 240 MyGenetics cards. If we take this 15% success rate and project it to just 3 more generations, the 240 cards turn into 1,296 new distributors and more than 50,000 MyGenetics cards going into the marketplace, helping you to build your business. This is the power of the MyGenetics card program. Now you have other people investing their efforts and their MyGenetics cards to build your MyGenetics business, month after month after month. Who is a potential MyGenetics customer? Everyone. Who can hand out and mail out gift cards? Everyone. Who is a potential MyGenetics distributor? Everyone. 4Earth has the product everyone wants, and the program anyone can do. If you're looking for additional income, 4Earth makes it so easy.